Hi, I'm Lee Davis. I'm the founder of LDirect. Now, if you're like most family caregivers, you're overwhelmed. You feel isolated and you feel like you're the only one bearing all the responsibility. Well, you're not alone and you don't have to do it all by yourself. My wife and I went through our own family caregiving struggles with our grandmothers. I remember the stress, the worry, and all the issues our families went through. It was a rough time. There was a lot of emotional, there was a lot of physical strain that our parents went through, and it wore them out. So we know what you're going through, and LDirect can help you. My wife and I began LDirect from that family caregiving experience to provide people like you with the solutions you need. It's the same home health care services our grandmothers needed. LDirect is here to relieve you from the overwhelming burden, the emotional, the physical stress, and the guilt, and let you get back to a more normal life so you know your loved one's in good hands. They're getting the care they need from a trusted company. Your first step is to fill out the form to my left, over here to my left, and one of my client advisors will be in touch with you. Or you can call an advisor in your area, they're listed below, and set up a free assessment. Call one of our advisors now. We have a full staff of home care professionals. They're here to help you develop the solutions you need for your loved one and help you get the peace of mind you deserve. Call them now.